Java graphic user interface application, Java GUI application. It provides a GUI component that are used in Java applets and application. So it provides a GUI component that are used in all Java applet and application. It contains the class that can be composed or extended. Abstract window toolkit is a package which is used to use for for designing graphic user interface. It contains the class that can be composed or extended. Ensure that every GUI component that is displayed on the screen is a subclass of component or menu component. So anything that is displayed in the screen, it is a subclass of component and menu component. Abstract window toolkit, which is a abstract subclass of two method. One is panel, another is window. Okay, abstract window toolkit is a package which is used to design the graphic user interface application in Java, which is provide the tools like component and menu component. Component means it is a container. In that container, you place the component. That a container, which is a component place kariba. So that it has the two type of container. One is panel, another is window. So what is panel? The two type of container we have. One is window and panel. Window is a free floating window on the display. So this total screen, it is visible, means total. Okay, which is display, but laptop total screen is called as window. So panel is a container of the GUI component that must exist in some other container. To add the component, we are using add method. Window is a free floating display. Panel is a container of the GUI component that must exist in the context of some other container, such as window and applet. Okay, so panel is what? आमे कहि परिबा ए जो ऊपर जो एरिया लिखा है जावा प्रोग्रामिंग इज वन पैनल, where the container is defined it is one panel, and where this white area is one panel. Okay, so it is one panel that we are using. Okay, and this total screen is called as the what? Window. This total screen is called as the window, and for adding the component we are using add method here. So Java programming language support various type of component. One is button, choice, label, list, scroll bar, and text component. So there are 6 level of component we have. One is button, choice, label, list, scroll bar, and text component. The position and size of the component in a container is determined by the layout manager. So where you have to place your component, आम component टा कोठी हमें शो करिवा, तो सेति पे हमें यूज करछे layout manager. So you must use the set location, set size, or set bound method on the component to locate them in a container. So we are using set location, set size, set bound on the component to locate them in a container. Similar way, we are using frame. এটা বুঝি পাইল কোন কোন কম্পোনেন্ট আমি ইউজ করিবা. What is button? Button means the login button and logout button. Choice means the drop down list. আমি ক্লিক করলে जो তলে তলে লিখেব কোন আইটেম আমি চুজ করিবা. ଆଉ label होची it is describe the purpose of other component. ଯେମିତି କି ଆମେ ସାଇड ରେ ଲେଖାବ login id ତା ଜାଗାରେ टेक्स्ट ଗୋଟେ टेक्स्ट बॉक्स थिबो, ଗୋଟେ एरिया थिबो जोटी ଆମେ login पास करिवा. ଯେମିତି पासवर्ड ଲେखा ହେଇथिबो ତା ଜାଗାରେ पुनी पासवर्ड ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ प्लेस थिबो. So जो description टा थाई that is called as the label. Label describe the purpose of other component. बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और रहला स्क्रोल बार सो इट इज नॉर्मली दैट मुविंग करिवा गोटे स्क्रीन नो आ गोटे स्क्रीन को आमे तर मुविंग करिवा तरी आमे स्क्रोल बार यूज करिवा देन आमे यूज करिवा कोन ना टेक्स्ट component where we pass the text information. Okay, so now frame is what? Frame have the following characteristics. It is a subclass of window. It have title and resizing kernel. Frame. So when you open any application, like if you open a text pad, it is also a frame. The text pad is a frame. It is having minimize option, maximize option, close option. So frame have the following characteristics. It is a subclass of window. It have title and resizing kernel. It is invisibly initially. Frame is invisibly initially. To make it is visible, we are using set visible in bracket true method is used. Set visible bracket रे लिखा हुआ true. Then the frame is visible. It have border layout as the default layout manager. Border layout as the default layout manager in a frame class. Okay, border layout ta kona agu padiba. Then set layout method is used to change the default layout manager. Border layout ta ko ame jodi kiछि layout न दबा by default border layout आसीबो आउ ए border layout ta को जदि हमें चेंज करिया को चाहू छे तले हमें set layout method यूज करियो. So by using of set layout method we can change the border of the frame. So now I will show you how actually the frame is working for working with the GUI application. First of all, you have to import a package. That package name is import java.awt.star. So it is a package which is used to import what Java application private frame f object. So we are creating a frame object f equals to new frame hello out there. So एठी जोटा पास कराला एटा होची frame name hello out there. Then in a function launch frame function we are using f.set size 170 frame रा size एठी दियाला 170 frame background is blue color.blue frame background. Then f.set visible true, so frame is visible to true. Then now we are creating a object of class frame GUI new frame object or launch frame function. आमे तर launch frame function को कॉल करिबा हमर frame टा visible हो. So I will show the program how it is actually working.
सर फ्रेम कहले कोटा जोटा कोडिंग विंडो ना
एटा ए जो पूरा स्क्रीन टा देखो जो लिखा है टेक्स्ट पैड डॉक्यूमेंट 1 एटा को फ्रेम मु देखौ जी ए एग्जांपल टा देखले तमरा आईडिया आसीबो. See that it is an example of frame. Import java.awt.star. It is a package which is used to importing a frame. Okay, it is the same program that I have discussed. Okay, so public frame, new frame, it is a what class, predefined class. Then when this is the name that you are passing, ये जो name टा मैं pass करिवा एटा ये ऊपर display होगा. Then ଏଠି panel ଟା ରହିଯାଇଛି, panel ଟା ହଟେଇ ଦଉଛି. F dot set size 200 200. Then ଏଠି ରହିଲା f dot set layout null. ଯଦି null ଲେଖୁଛି default layout ଟା ଆମର ହେଇଯିବ border layout. Then frame ର background ହେଇଯିବ, frame ର ଆମର background ହେଇଯିବ yellow. तापर ମୁଁ ଏଠି କ'ଣ କଲି ନା frame ର object ବନେଇଲି, से object through ରେ launch frame function को कॉल करली. See that the frame is visible now. This one. This is a frame. Background is yellow. And frame name that it is given I am with panel. Okay, so any name you can define here. The maximize and minimize option is present. Clear? बुझिएला?
Yes, sir.
आशीष, शुभम.
Again, sir. Again, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The frame example. Then now I start with the frame with panel. So that thing we have to discuss. Then comes to the panel. The panel provide a space to the component. This enable the sub panel to have their own layout manager. Okay, panel is what? Like if the total window is a one frame, so this one is one panel, this red area is one panel, this lower part is one panel. So panel, it provide a space for the component. This enable the sub panel to have their own layout manager. After creating a panel, it must be added to a window or frame. Okay, so now what is the panel that now we go for it? It provide a space. कहाँ गया? Just a minute. this one. So frame with panel. Okay, so here we are using a panel. File, save as. So now check here, import java.awt.star. When frame with panel, class name is frame with panel, then private frame f object. Then here we are passing a constructor, class name, and here constructor. Constructor contain a parameter. Then here we define a launch frame function. F.set size 200 200. Frame size is 200 200. Frame background is blue. So f.set layout null. So frame layout is null. Then we're defining a panel. Panel, pan object, new panel. Panel.set size 100 and 100. Panel size is 100. Then panel background is blue. एटी देख ये फ्रेम रो बैकग्राउंड है ब्लू पैनल ऐड करार एटा कोठी ऐड हम ना फ्रेम रे ऐड हम सो फ्रेम इज द मेन कंटेनर तो जहाँ भी आम कंपोनेंट सब ऐड करवा तो ये आमर फ्रेम रे ही ऐड हम तो पैनल पैनल ऑब्जेक्ट पैनल साइज है 100 100 पैनल डॉट सेट बैकग्राउंड कलर डॉट येलो तापर फ्रेम रे मु कौन कली ना पैनल को ऐड कली देन एफ डॉट सेट विजिबल ट्रू तो फ्रेम टाको मुझे सेट विजिबल टू ट्रू कली तापर मु कौन कली ना फ्रेम विथ पैनल जोटा अच्छी तार ऑब्जेक्ट बनैली से ऑब्जेक्ट थ्रू रे मु लॉन्च फ्रेम फंक्शन को कॉल करी मु रन करूची java c file name dot java then java frame with panel it will take see there this total screen is one frame and this yellow area is one panel okay it is a frame and it is a panel okay बुझेला दिशा मनीषा आशीष
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay
सर येलो पैनल टा हम कौन पे नबा सर यूज कौन दरकार
एटा जेम देखा ए जो स्क्रीन ने जता देखुछ ए स्क्रीन ए जो पावर पॉइंट टा जोटा मु फोन करूची ए पावर पॉइंट रे कोन रहउची एटा गोटे ब्लू कलर एटा गोटे रेड कलर रहला माने डिवाइड करूची विंडो को सेपरेट करूची पैनल जेंति हम कहबा डिवीजन Okay, so it is
डिजाइन पे दरकार है
हाँ division purpose रे हम एटी panel use करिए. Then comes to the layout manager. So layout manager are used to place the component on the required position. So for the frame, default layout manager is the border layout. Layout is basically it is used to place the component on a particular position. If you want to place every component in a particular position, then layout manager is used. So there are different type of layout manager we have: flow layout, border layout, card layout, then grid bag layout. Okay, so 5 type of layout manager we have: flow layout, border layout, grid layout, card layout, and grid bag layout. So basically this layout manager is used to place the component on a particular position. The by flow layout is what? Hang on. Okay, so the default layout manager for window and frame is a dialog class is border layout. Default layout manager means if you are not add any kind of layout manager, then the default layout manager is added. Window frame dialog class is a default layout manager. In the same way, for panel and applet, flow layout is the default layout manager. So for the panel and applet, flow layout is the default layout manager, and for window and frame and dialog class, border layout is the default layout manager. Now, in flow layout manager has the following characteristics. What is that? It form the default layout manager for panel class. It add the component from left to right. Flow layout is add the component from left to right. Alignment default is center. That is centrally it is alignment. It is uses the component for prefer sizes. It uses the constructor to tune the behavior. Flow layout form the default layout manager for the panel class. It add the component when you add the component, it add the component from left to right. when you add the component is centrally, it is visible. It uses the component to prefer sizes. It uses the constructor to tune the behavior. If you want to give a behavior by using a constructor, the similar way, first add the component from left to right. ओके आमे जो भी कंपोनेंट लाइक बटन कंपोनेंट टेक्स्ट बॉक्स कंपोनेंट जहाँ भी आमे ऐड करिवा जेमति कि आमे जितरा लिखुचे लेफ्ट टू राइट लिखुचे एटा लेफ्ट टू राइट ऐड करिवो एंड अलाइनमेंट डिफॉल्ट इज सेंटर आमे जो भी कंपोनेंट ऐड करिवा एटा सेंट्रली विजिबल हो बा सेंटर रे विजिबल हो यूजेस द कंपोनेंट फॉर प्रिफर साइजेस आमे कंपोनेंट मानकर गोटे पर्टिकुलर साइज देई परिवा यूजेस द कंस्ट्रक्टर टू ट्यून द बिहेवियर आमे गोटे कौन सी कंस्ट्रक्टर यूज करके ता बिहेवियर भी दे परिबा जे फ्लो लेआउट so now I show the example of flow layout ओके एटा मु काली बुझेबी जो नेक्स्ट क्लास रे मंडे दिन ओके इट विल टेक सम टाइम ओके चलो गुड नाइट
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
वेलकम